Well, so some weeks ago, a friend of mine came to me saying he had a problem setting up queuing in React, and he was actually building his portfolio. Then he set up light and dark theme, but I don't know. We tried. I don't know. It was not working. Yeah, it was not working. It was working, but it was not working. The light and dark theme for this website was not working. So now I decided I was going to create some kind of a component to help him solve that problem. So I created a theme toggler component, added it to the command line interface for animatex-pro. I just want to show you guys how he's going to use it, or how I'll use it to set up theme for both my React and Next.js projects. So basically we have two projects here, the React, which is just a basic React project with nothing changed. You can see our account, everything with React, and our Next.js project too, basic too. So nothing much. So I'm just going to I'll start by showing for the React project. Well, let's get into it. Sorry, yeah. Now I'll go to my command line. We'll do the basic, of course. That is install animatex and all. That'll be npm install animatex-pro. So this is boring part of the stuff. Voila. Voila, so it's done installing. We're just going to clear the terminal because we have it in it. So after clearing that, so I've installed animatex already. So now we need to initialize it so that we can have all the dependencies required, configurations for animatex to work smoothly. So we'll just go with npx animatex-pro, sorry, animatex-pro init. So once we initialize it, voila. So last time I just showed you guys how it was going to work on the Next.js project. But now for a React project, most React projects don't come with Tailwind already configured. So once you initiate AnimateX on a React project, it's going to set up Tailwind for you automatically. So for my friend who have already fixed one of his problems, the fix setting up Tailwind in a React project. So set it up. That's going to update the v.config.js. Also add an animatex.css file to your project. I actually added CSS file separate because I was thinking in such a way that sometimes we add like him currently now he has been building his portfolio for long, so he has some styles that are already found in his index.css and all. So I thought of if I'm updating the index of CSS, it might just make things tricky for him if in the future he wants to update. So that's why I just added my own animatex.css folder file to it. Like if you come inside the components, first you'll see the animatex folder. No, no, nothing. So yeah. So it has. Oh, let's see the source. No, he has not yet done all those things. So now it's when I'll. So yeah, it's when I'll now add the component to. So the component is going to solve the problem of team token is going to be the team toggle component. So I'll just say animatex. Wait, sorry, npx add team. So what am I doing now? npm animatex. Sorry guys, animatex-pro add team. Well, so it's once you install this component that is going to add the animatex or CSS controlling the theme, like you see as it added. It's going to also update your no, yeah, just going to add the CSS and add the theme toggler component into your animatex folder. What happened? They say update the global CSS fetch field. That's how. Wait, let me just try this again. npx add theme toggler. Voila. So if you see now the theme toggle component has been added successfully. Now I'll just drop the command line since we already done everything I was to do there. The project is running, so I'll just drop it down. Now if you see the files I've added, like this is the animate X or CSS that's been added. It concerns let's just say tail. Yeah, because the theme toggle component has some kind of animation that is added to it, but and that is actually found within the animatex or CSS, and also I think the theme configuration. Sorry, yeah, just as an animation, then animatex or CSS, which I'm going to import inside this app, inside this main.jsx. So first of all, I have also this one, the theme toggler component itself. The theme toggler component has the theme wrapper, which is created using the use context hook. Use context hook. It actually controls how the theme is switching from light to dark, all those local storage and stuff, storing it and using it everywhere. Then also have the toggler component itself, which is just a component that I added to it. In case you don't want to like build the switch by yourself or from scratch, you can just come here and edit this one, or you just use the way it is. I don't know, it's your choice. So I'll just go into his app sorry, main.jsx, import the theme wrapper from the theme toggler. So we're going to import we're going to say import theme theme wrapper, sorry, wrapper from, so it's not component, it's animate x slash they'll add another dot here, it's going out the toggle dot, oh shit. Then here we'll have our theme toggle.jsx, theme toggle.jsx. So we have our theme wrapper already, they will have to just come here and wrap in our app in theme wrapper. Then I delete this one. Then I'll come up here and also import the animatex or CSS, because that's actually what is going to initiate the theme switching animation. Yeah, that's it. And we save. Then I will just go now to the app.jsx where I'll add the button so you guys can see how it's switching. So import the theme toggler button. Theme toggler from animatex theme toggler as it. They'll just come down here. This that yeah that React account button, I'm just going to remove it. Then put the theme toggler button instead there. Then I save and we check out our project to see how it looks. Okay, let's go and check. Voila, this is our button here. So let's just see this works and how it works. Voila, it works. See that smooth transition between the light and dark theme. We have the setup theme using animatex-pro. So now some guys might like this flashy or this flashy transition, but for some niggas are like that, just like to keep everything simple, like boss dev. So I just added another tag to it that will prevent animation from working. If you go into your toggler and just passing the pop simple like that, I, that animation to stop. That smooth transition is going to stop. I'm sure. Oh, it's still there. Sat. Wait. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so that simple hook that is preventing animation is not actually has not been added to the React version. I'm just going to add it later. But basically, it's going to be the same thing. Just passing the simple prop, and that is gonna be it. Okay, let me just go back. So that is it. You can see we have set up theme with this, and yeah, to straight test if the tailwind works. Let me just go into my code and try to change some styles with tailwind here. So I'll go to my code. I'll just enter my app.jsx. Let me just say I give this guy flex. You see flex? Gap of 3, and you see tailwind works. Tailwind actually works. So that'll be it. Now we'll just go to the next project, Next.js project. And for the Next.js project, I've already installed the animatex, initiate everything. I'll just show you guys the toggle and stuff. Well, so this is our next project. Because you can see I just finished initiating animatex-pro for the Next.js side. So initiating animatex for the Next.js side does not actually install all the theory and set it up. It just does everything normal like the way I showed you guys for the first video. Uh, yeah, but no theory CSS is theory CSS is not set up because Next.js is set up theory by default. So I'm just going to clear this again and clear the terminal. Then add the team toggle component again for the Next.js project and see the difference. So we're going to take pnpx animatex dash pro at team blah. Okay. So we are using the theme toggler for the Next.js project. It actually installs Next themes because it's actually depending on the Next themes. So it has installed Next themes and actually added the required setup for Next theme toggling. So I'm just going to go into my file directory. So you can see this the component here. While the toggler.js, I bring the command line. This our toggler.js. We have this, we have our wrapper that uses next themes. Then we have our toggler that also uses next themes. So now I'm just going to now go into my app layout.js tsx and add the wrapper into it. So inside my app, I'll just click import theme wrapper from components and mistakes. Voila. If I come to my Next.js, I come down here, I go to the children, I wrap in our theme wrapper. Voila. So yeah, voila, we have this. So if I want to test this out, I'll just go into my page.jsx and add our theme toggle button there to test it and see. Where should I add it? For this guys, yeah. Because the image. See, theme toggle button. Come inside the theme toggle and just put like that and see how it works. Let's see how it works. You see, our Next.js says it took the dark theme state. So if I switch, you see that smooth transition, the animation persists, smooth animation. And there we go. But now, yeah, for the React project, I said there were some people who like components not to be too flashy, just simple and no. So this one for the Next.js side, I actually give you that option. So you can either choose to have this smooth animation or just have a simple quick switch. And to do that, you just have to come to the toggler component, go to my code, come to the toggler component and just add a simple prop to it. Then you save, and once you go back into your once you go back into your code, you will see. Now if I switch the themes, you're just going to see how I'm just going to switch. See, there's no animation again. It's then if I move the simple, it goes back. The animation comes back. If I don't move it, it will be like that. So guys, thank you, and I hope you try it out. And I'm waiting for some feedback. You can try for both your React projects and React and Next.js projects. Please, any feedback on how I can make it better will be really helpful. Thanks.